In this video, let's see how we can rename a column of a table. If you see here, I have this employee table and you can see currently it has 20 rows and these are the 5 columns that I have. And let's see the script that I have used to create this table. You can see this was the script I have used and I have given the name employee name as my second column. Now let's say I want to rename this to EMP name. Instead of complete employee name, I want to change it to EMP name. To rename a column, basically you need to use one stored procedure that is an inbuilt stored procedure, and the name of that stored procedure is sp underscore rename. Okay, so we need to execute this using the execute keyword. Okay, and then we need to specify what we want to rename. Basically, we want to rename the column employee name from table employee. So let's copy this table name. We need to specify the table name dot the old column name. Currently we have the column name as employee name, right? So let's specify this, and now let's specify what should be the new column name. New column name should be EMP name. Let's give that here. Now we need to specify what exactly we are renaming. Here we are renaming a column, so let's specify column here. So these are the 3 parameters I need to give to this SP, that is the SP underscore rename. Now let's select this statement and click on execute, getting a message here like changing the object name could break the scripts, right? But that's fine. Currently we don't have any stored procedure created for this table. And now if you do select star from employee, you can notice now my column has been changed to EMP name. This is how you can rename a column of a table in SQL Server.